Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Pawan demands inquiry on Antarvedi incident. Pawan Kalyan, Ali of BJP, has demanded an impartial inquiry into the incident of an ancient chariot of Antarvedi temple which was gutted in fire. Stating that he and Jansena party have no belief in state police, Pawan demanded that the probe into the incident should be handed over to a retired judge. He stated that if the state government fails to respond to their demand, he said that his party would demand for a CBI investigation in the case. In a video message to the media, Pawan stated that Pithapuram incident, Nellore district's Konda Bitragunta incident, and Antarvedi incidents are not coincidental. Big benefit to Rayalaseema farmers. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, along with Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, launched the Kisan Rail services via a video link. The train would travel between Anantapur and Delhi, carrying the agri-produce of the Rayalaseema farmers to the national capital. However, Jagannath Reddy urged PM Narendra Modi to intervene and see that the train fare was reduced, keeping in view affordability of the farmers. Though Andhra Pradesh stopped in agri-produce, the state has been facing problems in exporting the same to other states due to COVID crisis. Of the total agri-produce harvested by Andhra Pradesh, only 10 to 15% is consumed by the people in the state. Andhra Pradesh had been the food producing hub in South India, and such rail services will help the farmers get a remunerative produce for their produce, the CM said. Andhra records 10,418 cases, infection count over 5.2 lakh. The coronavirus graph of Andhra Pradesh continued its progression on a steep incline and reached 5,27,512 on Wednesday, as 10,418 cases were added anew. The latest bulletin said 9,842 patients had recovered in 24 hours. Sriharikota Space Center reports 47 fresh COVID-19 cases. The Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, which is about 100 km from Chennai, finds no respite from coronavirus. The Space Center reported 47 fresh COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the tally to over 100 in just the last 4 days. Considering the gravity of the situation, the Nellore District Administration has deployed a Sanjeevani bus at the Space Center to beef up COVID-19 testing. The Andhra Pradesh government has converted the APSRTC Garuda AC buses into testing facilities. Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao introduces 2 bills on land rights and village revenue officers. Ushering major changes in the existing revenue system, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Wednesday introduced 2 crucial bills: TS Rights in Land and Pattadar Passbooks Bill 2020 and TS Abolition of Post of Village Revenue Officers Bill 2020. Now, farmers need not submit physical documents to obtain crop loans. Banks will verify records available in electronic form on Dharani portal and disburse loans according to TS Rights in Land and Pattadar Passbook Bill 2020. The much-awaited Dharani website will be launched shortly. COVID-19 test in all Andhra Pradesh government hospitals soon. Stressing the need for conducting more number of COVID-19 confirmatory tests, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy has instructed officials to ensure that the COVID-19 tests are available at all government hospitals, right from primary health centers (PHCs) to district hospitals. The Chief Minister reiterated that we have to live with COVID-19 and instructed the officials to be vigilant and take timely action. Governor wants first COVID-19 vaccine from Telangana. Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan on Wednesday expressed hope that the first vaccine for COVID-19 would come from Telangana. Interacting with the media from Raj Bhavan here through a video conference on the occasion of completion of her first year as Governor of Telangana, Soundararajan said vaccine could be expected within 6 months or in a year. Some institutions were already on the job to develop the vaccine and taking the lead. The vaccine, which has some protocols, should be safe once it was given to the people, she said, adding that we should not be in a hurry.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Payant Times.